S&P 500 ETF today, which is down 9 cents, and we are approaching that 35.50 on SPX, and I still think that there's going to be some type of pullback around that area. I could be wrong. It could just blow right through, and we'll see what happens at the 1272 extension. Nasdaq up 86 cents. Diamonds down $1.04. Not even a real pullback. Russell 2000 down 77 cents. And the transports are down 82. Taking a quick look at Reliance Steel. Today is just down 15 cents. Nothing to do with this trade whatsoever. If you're in it, continue to hold on. And what you can do now, you can start mapping the profit targets with Fibonacci retracement, but you're just using calculations beyond 100%. So over here we have the first profit target at 110, which I'm just going to send myself an alert over here. And we just got to be patient and see it follow through. Looking at applied materials, you can see this one, it's just getting really choppy. It pierced below that symmetry support, and that's telling me, hey, doesn't matter, just get out. It's got so much more resistance to the upside. I think this is going to, if it prints in another lower low, then we got more selling to do with applied materials. I was also reminded of Roku today. Today's down slightly, but look at this nice run that it had over the last couple of days. And then I reminded myself, I actually gave out this recommendation back in July, back in about the 21st. So jumping over to my Instagram account, you can see over here on the 21st of July, I talked about this as well. And it had a little upside, right? And since then, I redid the calculations again with the same symmetry support. And there was this one last Fibonacci retracement. It did not pierce through. So this would have been another entry. And it's around the same exact area because this is not much of a higher high than this one over here. It's just really interesting how patterns, they can repeat. Sometimes you may miss the first entry, but the chart will give you another chance to come back in. And jumping over to some headlines. Of all the changes to the Dow on Monday, this may be the most important. Over here, we got something about TikTok. Over in Germany, we're down slightly. Euro 50 also down over 0.5%. Talk about gold and silver. So gold got a little push to the upside. Now we're above all moving averages again on the daily chart, close to 1980. And with silver, we're above 28. And I just see this moving higher up. Now I think that 30 mark should not be too off in the distant future. And that matters of what they're going to be doing with the US dollar. If they continue to print, if this thing does not get buyers to come in to pick this up, then we're going to see the dollar fall. While equities may get a nice lift, well, the purchasing power of the US dollar is going to diminish. And we got these inverse relationships with currencies. So if you were holding on to the Aussie, you would have been doing very well the last couple of months. So it's just an energy exchange, right? So US dollar falling, Aussies going to the upside. Same thing with the British pound. This one has been doing quite well. I don't look at currencies much, just here and there, but I do understand the dynamics that's taking place. Same thing with the euro. So now it's going to be more expensive to go on vacation. Right, so every euro, it's going to take $1.19 to buy. Jumping over to Fear and Greed Index, 77. Cryptos got a nice lift in Ethereum, got up above 400 once more. Taking a quick look at the calendar this week. Oh, we got September coming on. So I don't know if you guys read up on the Stock Traders Almanac. Apparently, historically, September it's been a pullback month. So we'll see what happens in September. Of course, there are always exceptions to the rule. Employment change, September 3rd. Not a whole lot. And the 5th, unemployment rate on Friday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Any other symbols you'd like me to review, be happy to look at them for you. And last symbol you may want to consider is Leonard Corp. So I redid the calculations for this one. This one, looking at the 7168 area, I like to see how price potentially hold this area before it gives me a trigger to go to the upside, and I want to see the follow through like I've been seeing over here back in June. Talk to you soon.